Guys, this meatball recipe and hot dog has been trending for quite a long time now. I decided to give it a try, which is called frikadelle in Dutchland. So lovelies, let me show you how I make this recipe. All you need is your meat, depending on which meat you want to use. For me, I use chicken. You can also use beef, depending on your choice. Next is to add in your garlic, fresh ginger. Just go ahead and put any seasonings you want to put at this stage. I go in with my onions, introduce my bay leaf. Okay guys, next is my thyme and some black pepper. If you want to try this recipe, you can as well check the description box. I will list out all the ingredients inside there. So the next one I added is my chili powder. Then I go in with my beetroot, as you can see. Then add in my Maggi seasonings. Okay guys, and the next one is my olive oil. Just go ahead and put all the ingredients you want to use and blend everything together, just as you are seeing right now on your screen. Okay guys, you can see I'm still rocking my Ninja blender. This Ninja blender doesn't disappoint. I love this blender, it's giving me joy. So before I forget, if today is your first time seeing my video, hello, let's be friends. Smash that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and to my OG returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. So what I will do next is to go ahead and pour it into my container. You can use any container that has cover, just go ahead and scoop it in. Then the next is to transfer it into your refrigerator or freezer. As for me, I transferred it into my my freezer because I want it to get blocked fast. Okay guys, and here is it. After 2 hours is already blocked, as you can see. I first of all started cutting with bread knife. As you can see, it was not sharp, so I have to change into the normal kitchen knife. After I slice to the taste I need, you can slice it bigger or smaller depending on the sizes you want. Okay guys, then you start by frying it just as you are seeing it on your screen. For the hot dog, after I cut the quantity I want to fry, then I use the rest for the hot dog. You don't need to stress yourself. I didn't do much. I only just use a foil paper to roll it, just as you are seeing. It's not hard, it's so simple to achieve, so that is what I did until the whole meat is finished. Then the next thing I did is to transfer it into oven and grill. You can also fry, but I prefer to grill it. And that is it. As for me, this recipe is not that hard. It's so simple, although it's my first time of giving it a try and it's worth trying. I must confess, this recipe is not bad if you want to give it a try, because there is no harm in trying new things. Even though there is a mistake or you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. You only learn from it, and next time you improve and try not to repeat the same mistakes. Okay guys, so here is me wrapping them, and as you can see, everything come out perfectly well, looking nice, looking delicious, and that is it. So keep watching. So guys, at this stage I'm done wrapping the hot dog. Next is to transfer it in the oven to grill. And as you can see, my meatball is ready, looking so yummy, delicious, well fried, so nice. I'm going to enjoy it with bread. You can also add some ketchup or mayonnaise on it. Whichever way you prefer to eat it is up to you. So guys, at this stage the hot dog is also ready. You can see how it's looking. I just remove it out from the oven. So I'm gonna remove it out from the foil paper. I can't wait to have a look and have a taste. In fact, as I was opening them, it was breaking because it was so hot. But believe me guys, this recipe is so yummy. The outcome is quite delicious and sugary lekker. You can see how nice it turned out, so beautiful. Look at me having a taste of it, so delicious. It's worth giving a try. Okay my lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming videos, because as of now I am out. Bye, ciao.